New to woodworking? Discover simple projects you can build in hours and sell for big bucks without breaking a sweat. If you're new to woodworking, starting with simple projects is the way to go, especially ones that use basic tools, affordable materials like reclaimed wood or pine from hardware stores, and minimal time, under 2–4 hours each. The key to high profit: focus on trendy, functional items that appeal to home decor lovers, gift buyers, and eco-conscious shoppers on platforms like Etsy or Facebook Marketplace. These can cost $5.20 to make but sell for $30 plus, yielding 200–500% margins. Emphasize customization, sustainability, and quick shipping to stand out. Why these projects work for beginners and profit. Beginner-friendly. Require only a saw, sandpaper, drill, and basic finishes. No advanced joinery. High demand. Target niches like rustic modern decor, kitchen essentials, or personalized gifts. Use keywords like handmade wooden coasters in listings. Profit tips. Source free cheap reclaimed wood from pallets or Craigslist. Batch produce, make 10 plus at once to cut time. Price based on perceived value. Add engravings or stains for $10–20 upsells. Market with styled photos showing real home use. Project ideas. Wooden coasters, set of 4–6. Description: round or square slices of wood 3–4 diameter, with natural edges, sealed for durability. Add burned initials or geometric patterns for personalization. Materials: wood slices logs $5 for a bundle, sandpaper, food-safe sealant beeswax or polyurethane $3. How to make 1 hour. Slice wood evenly with a hand saw or miter box. Sand all surfaces smooth. Apply 2–3 coats of sealant. Burn designs with a basic wood burning tool, $10 investment. Profit potential: cost $2.05/set. Sell $25.40. High volume, great for weddings or holidays. Margin 400% plus. Etsy sellers report 50+ sales month. Simple serving trays. Description: rectangular tray 12×18 with handles, perfect for charcuterie or coffee tables. Rustic finish with a clear coat for a modern touch. Materials: pine board 8, wooden dowels for handles $2, wood glue stain $4. How to make 2 hours. Cut board to size. Attach 2–4 dowel handles with glue and screws. Sand edges. Stain in walnut or gray for warmth. Profit potential: cost $10.15. Sell $40.70. Bundle with coasters for $90 sets. Margin 300% plus. Popular for housewarmings, easy to ship flat. Wall-mounted key holders. Description: a 12–18 plank with 4–6 hooks, engraved with Home Sweet Home or custom names. Sleek and functional for entryways. Materials: reclaimed plank $0.5, screw-in hooks $3 pack, hanging hardware $2. How to make 1.5 hours. Cut sand plank, pre-drill hook holes, screw-in hooks, add a wood-burned label, seal with oil. Profit potential: cost $5.08. Sell $30.50. Personalization boosts price to $60. Margin 400% plus. Impulse buy, target new homeowners via Instagram ads. Cutting boards. Description: end grain or edge grain boards 8×12 with juice grooves for safety. Natural oil finish for kitchen pros. Materials: hardwood scrap maple oak $5.10, mineral oil $3. How to make 2 hours. Cut rectangle, sand thoroughly, start coarse, end fine. Drill shallow groove if desired. Apply 3 coats of oil. Profit potential: cost $8.12. Sell $35.60. Engrave for $10 extra. Margin 300% plus. Evergreen seller, foodies love them. FDA-compliant labeling adds trust. Picture frames 4×6 or 8×10. Description: simple mitered frames from 1×2 lumber with a rustic distressed look. Fits standard photos for easy customization. Material: pine strips $4, glass backs $5 from craft store, wood glue clamps. How to make 1.5 hours. Cut 45 degrees angles for corners, glue and clamp. Sand paint lightly for vintage vibe. Insert photo hardware. Profit potential: cost $6.10. Sell $25.45, sets of 3 for $100. Margin 300% plus. Gift market gold, offer bulk for events like graduations. Plant stands or succulent holders. Description: tiered or single pot stands 12-18 tall, using dowels and a base plank. Minimalist design for modern shelves. Materials: dowels $3, plywood base $4, screws. How to make 2 hours. Cut assemble X-frame legs, attach to base. Sand and stain neutral, e.g. whitewash. Profit potential: cost $7.12. Sell $30.55. Margin 300% plus. Booming with plant trends, sell as kits for DIY appeal. Wooden phone or tablet stands. Description: angled stand with a slot for devices, portable for desks or kitchens. Add cable management notch. Materials: scrap wood $2.5, saw sandpaper. How to make 1 hour. Cut 2 pieces, base and back. Angle cut slot, glue screw together, finish with varnish. Profit potential: cost $3.06. Sell $20.35. Margin 500% plus. Tech accessory niche, remote workers buy in bulk. Decorative signs, e.g. gather or quote boards. Description: 12x18, plank with vinyl lettering or stenciled quotes. Wall ready with sawtooth hanger. Materials: plank $5, stencil vinyl $3, paint or stain. How to make 1.5 hours. Sand plank, apply base coat, stencil and paint design, seal, add hanger. Profit potential: cost $5.08. Sell $25.50. Margin 400% plus. Seasonal hits, e.g. holiday quotes, personalized for weddings. General tips for success and profit maximization. Tools to start. Invest $50 in basics, hand saw, drill, sander. Free plans on YouTube/Pinterest. Finishing: use non-toxic oil stains for safety. Test samples to ensure durability. Scaling: make prototypes first. Produce in batches to reduce per unit time. Track costs in a spreadsheet. Selling strategies: list on Etsy with 10+ photos, lifestyle shots. Price 3-5x material costs. Offer bundles, discounts for 20% sales uplift. Use social media, Instagram reels of builds for free promo. Aim for 1,000 followers in 3 months. Common pitfalls: overcomplicate designs, underprice, research competitors. Ensure sturdy builds to avoid returns. Legal profit boost: label as handmade and disclose wood origins. High profit secret: custom orders add $20.50 premium. These projects can net $500 to $000/month part-time once you're rolling. Start with 2-3 favorites, and if you need detailed plans or video script ideas, just ask. And there you have it, your blueprint to turning simple wood scraps into serious side hustle gold. Whether it's coasters, trays, or key holders, these beginner projects prove you don't need fancy tools or years of experience to start profiting. Get out there, grab some wood, and build your first batch today. Your wallet will thank you. If this sparked your inner entrepreneur, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making craft ideas, and share your success stories in the comments. Thanks for watching. Now go make some woodwork wonders and watch the profits roll in.